The Beachy Head Lighthouse is a historic and iconic lighthouse, located at the base of the towering chalk cliffs of Beachy Head in East, Sussex, England. Built by the Corporation of Trinity House in 1902, the lighthouse replaced the earlier Belle Tout Lighthouse, which was situated on the clifftop. The Belle Tout was often rendered ineffective by sea mist, and was at risk of falling due to coastal erosion. Standing at 33 meters tall and featuring distinctive red and white horizontal stripes, the lighthouse is a well-known landmark. It was a manned station until 1983 when it was automated. The light, which was originally powered by paraffin, was converted to electricity in 1975 and later to solar power in 2011. Today, it is monitored remotely and continues to serve as a vital navigational aid for ships in the English Channel. The lighthouse is not accessible to the public, but it is a major tourist attraction. Visitors can admire its beauty from the clifftop or, at low tide, walk to its base, offering a unique perspective of this majestic structure against the backdrop of the towering white cliffs. The White Cliffs of Beachy Head on England's southern coast are a dramatic and internationally recognized landmark, but it is the red and white striped sentinel at their base that holds a crucial and fascinating history. The Beachy Head Lighthouse, a testament to Victorian engineering and a vital aid to navigation, has served as a beacon for mariners in the English Channel for over a century. The need for a light on this part of the coast was recognized for centuries. The high chalk cliffs, while a prominent visual landmark on a clear day, posed a grave danger to ships navigating in the notoriously foggy and stormy English Channel. The first official attempt to solve this problem came in the 1830s with the construction of the Belle Tout Lighthouse on the clifftop. However, the Belle Tout soon proved to be flawed. Its high elevation meant that its light was frequently obscured by sea mists and low cloud, rendering it useless when it was most needed. By the late 19th century, it was clear that a new, more reliable solution was required. Under the direction of Trinity House, the official lighthouse authority for England and Wales, plans were drawn for a new lighthouse to be built at the very base of the cliffs. The project, which commenced in 1900, was a monumental feat of civil engineering. A massive coffer dam was built to protect the foundation from the powerful tides. Over 2 years, a total of 3,660 tons of granite quarried from Cornwall were used to construct the tapered, cylindrical tower. The sheer scale of the effort highlights the importance placed on maritime safety. The light, originally powered by a paraffin vapor burner, was a powerful revolving signal that flashed twice every 20 seconds, visible for up to 26 nautical miles out to sea. It was also equipped with an explosive fog signal, one of the last of its kind in service, which was used in periods of low visibility until it was replaced with an electric horn in the 1970s. For over 80 years, the lighthouse was a manned station, with 3 keepers living in the small quarters within the tower. Their life was one of isolation and dedication, a constant vigil to ensure the light and fog signal remained operational. However, with advances in technology, the age of the lighthouse keeper came to an end. In 1983, the Beachy Head Lighthouse was fully automated and the keepers were withdrawn. Its power source was later converted to solar power, and it is now monitored remotely from Trinity House's control center in Harwich, Essex. Today, the Beachy Head Lighthouse is a famous landmark that draws millions of visitors each year. While it is no longer manned, it continues to serve its crucial role in maritime safety. Its striking appearance against the backdrop of the majestic white cliffs makes it a favorite subject for photographers and artists. At low tide, adventurous visitors can walk along the rocky beach to its base, providing a unique perspective of the towering structure and the cliffs that loom above it. It stands as a timeless symbol of the constant battle between humanity and the sea, and a testament to the engineering and ingenuity required to navigate its dangers.